All right. So with this one, we can able to do.
Do half.
We can do half.
Like vertical half.
Vertical like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I hope I don't using it all up. Get half of it. Right there. Hold on. I'm gonna using my 4D gels brush. This comes in so handy. I love it. And just clean it a little bit. To make sure that I got it straight right. I think I got it good. Just make sure the line is straight. Okay, here 30 seconds. Might miss some spot right there. All right. It looks really hard to see, but if you have a lighting, it's like you point right into that, you can able to see it's really clear. And we're queuing for 30 seconds. And for the last ones, I am going to use is this design. Looks perfect with mangoes that we are already polished the nails. You know what? This one looks really good though. And now we're doing this one. Yeah. All right, so we are going to press. Give it good rubs on. Great. All right, so this is mango. You are right, Tracy. The green one is gorgeous as well. All right, so let's using condensed glue gels. The first step from our Trifecta, really thick density, so you're gonna need just a little bit. Make sure your appliance it covers is enough. Not too thick, not too thin. Oh, I'm really enjoying it. I feel like it just 4 nails went so fast, just like in minutes. So I'm gonna apply floating the no wipe top coat. So between uncured condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat will grab the beautiful crystal placements on for you, and it lasts so long. All right, so what we're doing this one, the centerpiece, and then it is super cute. This is the second. This is Radiance, a mini Radiance shape in a light green. Is from a second glow in the dark number 2. So we are placing them, and I get the centerpiece first, and then I did the smaller SS and I did use SS10. Surround with that. It's a beads on. It's 3 beads on the top and 1 beads on the sides of the crystal. There's more beads here. I can't wait because today is just like, besides really cute and fun crystal placements with Jennifer Foy, tomorrow we're gonna do back with the newest acrylics glitter. I'm so excited. So we're probably gonna do like some designs tomorrow or even the swatching tomorrow. And some beautiful designs in court with crystal placements as well. All right. It's the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat is not going to cure until you are placing under LED lights. And then so you can have plenty of time if you need to adjusting it. Happy with this? We are going to cure for 60 seconds.